Have you ever felt a strong urge to pack your bags and explore the world? That's what we call getting the travel bug, a common idiom used by English speakers. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, Sarah, was planning a trip to the zoo and said she had got the travel bug. She was surprised when her coworker looked at her in confusion and asked, "Wait, you have a bug that makes you want to travel?" So, what does get the travel bug actually mean? It's a figurative expression that describes a strong, almost irresistible desire to travel and explore new places. The bug in this case refers to an infection or obsession, not a literal insect. Let me show you how to use this idiom correctly. When my friend Sarah finally took that trip to the zoo, she came back with an even stronger desire to travel. "I've really got the travel bug now," she exclaimed, already planning her next adventure. Here are some examples of how you can use get the travel bug in different contexts. After our weekend getaway, I've definitely got the travel bug and can't wait to plan our next trip. The CEO's presentation about her recent business trip to Japan has given me the travel bug. I want to visit there too. I'm feeling a bit down, but I think a spontaneous weekend trip might help me get over this travel bug I've been having. Watching that new travel documentary has given me the travel bug. I'm already searching for cheap flights to the featured destination. As an avid reader, I often get the travel bug from reading novels set in exotic locations. The company's new policy of offering quarterly team-building trips has given everyone the travel bug. Seeing all my friends' vacation photos on social media has given me a serious case of the travel bug. To help you remember the meaning of get the travel bug, think of an actual bug that bites you and makes you want to move around a lot. That's the feeling of having the travel bug. The idiom get the travel bug has an interesting origin. It's believed to have first appeared in the early 20th century, reflecting the growing popularity of leisure travel and the sense of adventure it inspired. The bug part of the expression also ties into the idea of travel as a kind of contagious infection that spreads through exposure and experience. Some similar idioms to get the travel bug include catch the travel bug, have the wanderlust, and get bitten by the travel bug. Opposite expressions would be lose the travel bug or get over the travel bug. Related idioms could be get the itch to travel or have a case of itchy feet. Here's an example of how you can use get the travel bug in a sentence. After our amazing trip to Italy, I've really got the travel bug and can't wait to plan our next adventure abroad. If you wanted to rephrase that without using the idiom, you could say, "After our amazing trip to Italy, I've developed a strong desire to travel and explore new places. And I'm eager to plan our next adventure abroad." I remember a time when my colleague, Sarah, was feeling a bit down and unmotivated at work. But after she took a spontaneous weekend trip to the coast, she came back to the office with a renewed energy and excitement. "I've got the travel bug again," she told us, already planning her next getaway. The change in her mood and outlook was so noticeable that it inspired the rest of us to consider taking more trips ourselves. One common mistake people make when using get the travel bug is to say "I've got a travel bug," which implies a literal insect. The correct phrasing is "I've got the travel bug." Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking the idiom refers to a physical illness or condition that makes you want to travel. But the bug here is a figurative one, meaning an intense, almost uncontrollable desire or obsession. It's also important to avoid using get the travel bug in inappropriate contexts, like when talking about a mandatory business trip. The idiom works best when describing a voluntary, personal desire to explore new places. Quiz time. Let's see how well you understand the idiom get the travel bug. 1. What does get the travel bug mean? A. Literally have a bug that makes you want to travel. B. Develop a strong desire to travel and explore new places. C. Catch a physical illness that requires you to travel. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is a synonym for get the travel bug? A. Lose the travel bug. B. Catch the travel bug. C. Get over the travel bug. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these expressions is an antonym for get the travel bug? A. Have the wanderlust. B. Get the itch to travel. C. Settle down and stay put. Correct answer, C. In summary, get the travel bug is a common idiom used to describe a strong, almost irresistible desire to travel and explore new places. Understanding this expression can help you communicate more effectively in English and connect with others who share a love of adventure. Now it's your turn. Share a time when you've got the travel bug in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.